Health monitoring system. The monitoring of basic vitals like ECG, heart rate, SpO2 and blood pressure of patients is very essential in the diagnosis and treatment of various illness. Patients, especially aged people who require regular checkup of their vitals, find it very difficult to travel all the way to the hospital for regular checkups frequently. The equipments used in the hospitals are very costly and complex and cannot be operated by the people at home without thorough understanding. In this project, we have developed a easy to use, low cost health monitoring system which can be used by the patients right at their home to monitor their basic vitals. These vitals can be posted to the internet which can be viewed by the doctor and further treatment can be prescribed. This is the overall block diagram of our proposed system. Here we have used a 4-lead ECG configuration that are right arm, right leg and left leg. This stage is followed by an ADS1292R which is a dedicated analog front end for ECG by Texas Instruments. The converted signal is then given to a TIVA C-Series launchpad through SPI protocol for further processing of the signal. The process signal is finally given to the BeagleBone Black. Similarly, an SpO2 probe is used for monitoring the oxygen saturation of the blood of the patient. This stage is followed by a transimpedance amplifier and a gain amplifier for amplifying signal to the required level, and finally given to the TIVA C-Series launchpad for further processing, and the process signal is finally given to the BeagleBone Black. A temperature sensor is also used for monitoring the temperature of the patient.
Here we have not used any separate device for monitoring ECG. Instead of that, we have used a method called pulse transit time. Pulse transit time uses two signals, ECG and photoplethysmograph signals, to monitor and measure the blood pressure. By using pulse transit time method for monitoring ECG will enable us to monitor the blood pressure continuously. The graph shows how to measure the blood pressure from pulse transit time. And this is the ECG signal measured by placing the electrodes, and this is the photoplethysmograph signal which is obtained from the pulse oximeter. And this QRS complex is produced due to the ventricular depolarization. The pulse transit time is measured by measuring the delay between two peaks of the signal. And this pulse transit time is used to calculate the blood pressure. This is the analog front end for ECG monitoring which uses ADS1292R. ADS1292R is a low power 24-bit delta sigma analog to digital converter. The electrodes are connected to ADS1292R through DB9 connector, and these are the 4 electrodes connected to ADS1292R. ADS1292R has an inbuilt programmable gain amplifier which amplifies the signal to required level. This programmable gain amplifier can be programmed through SPI protocol which is communicated to TIVA C-Series launchpad through the SPI protocol. This ADS1292R converts the raw ECG data into digital which is in 2's complement form. This converted data is given to TIVA C-Series launchpad which uses ARM Cortex M4 based microcontroller. An algorithm is written in microcontroller to filter and process the signal. This process signal is given to BeagleBone Black. BeagleBone Black acts as a web server for posting the data into the internet which can be accessed from anywhere. This is the pulse oximeter and its analog front end for monitoring the oxygen saturation level. This pulse oximeter employs two LEDs. One is red and other is IR. These LEDs are passed to the patient's finger and absorbed by the photodiode. The output of the photodiode is a current variation which corresponds to the absorbed light. This current have to be converted into voltage. The first stage of the analog front end is transimpedance amplifier which converts this current into its corresponding voltage. Here we used Texas Instruments OPA227 as a transimpedance amplifier, followed by 3 stages of filters. The first stage is a 15 Hz low pass filter, and second stage is a 1 Hz high pass filter, and again the third stage is a 8 Hz low pass filter. The output of the filtered signal is given to the second stage high gain amplifier. This amplifier is used to amplify the signal to the required level for processing. Here also OPA227 is used as a high gain amplifier. This process signal is again given to the same TIVA C-Series launchpad for processing. This process data is given to the BeagleBone Black for posting it to the internet.
Here, Electro and the SpO2 probe are connected to a patient.
This snapshot shows the ECG waveform plotted using the recorded values and the value of SpO2, blood pressure, heart rate and respiration rate. The web page is programmed to refresh every 5 seconds to update the values. This page is hosted by BeagleBone Black.
Thus, we have designed a cost-effective health monitoring system to continuously monitor the basic vitals. In addition to its cost-effectiveness, it also reduces the stress of an aged person who could not travel a long way to the hospitals. We would like to thank our mentor, Mr. R. Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of ACE, Kumaraguru College of Technology. And we thank Texas Instruments for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.